Called Anna Sweats. Anna, they come from Texas, from Houston, Texas. Not exactly from close from Houston, right? And Anna has been the happiness of the group. Kept us laughing and happy, super positive, and wanted to follow everything, even the stuff that I didn't think anybody was gonna do, that special therapy enema that she did it and experienced it, and she's willing to do anything, everything for her family, to get her family in super great health and help the kids also. So Bill is super blessed to have you, because in you're a super great cook. You have endurance, you have the willingness. So I'm so happy you made it finally. They used to come like once a year, and I will cook for them, try to teach them. But this time you're 100% on board. So I'm just so grateful you came. It's been a super blessing. So you completed. Tell me some of the changes that you were telling me. How long you had bloating stomach?
Well, I have ulcerative colitis that recently it was in the beginning of the colon, and then they told me it was through my whole colon. And these have been going on for 10 years now. And I have been using the traditional medicine in hope that these with the years will go away. But I experience even more with the years passing. The medicine was even increasing and not decreasing. So I have prayed and asked the Lord that He will help me, that I will be healed. This was my prayer 2 years now, 2 years ago. And I am so excited because with the 10 days program, just 10 days, my inflammation, my big belly that I was trying to put it down for a long time, it's proof. Yeah. It went down. It's flat. So, and I'm feeling, I know healing will continue, and I can't wait for be able to say, I'm healed completely.
Praise the Lord, praise the Lord. So that's an amazing testimony. So you're gonna get your diploma, and you did a 10 days detox program at Jerry Restore Lifestyle and Learning, and you complete successfully. And I'm so happy that you came.
Thank you. Can I just thank you, everybody, right now?
Sure.
I want to thank you, the staff at the Lifestyle Restored, right? Years Restored. Landy and Michael and Anthony, and especially my group. Without the support of the group, I think it would be much harder. And everybody who worked so hard preparing our detox. Yay! Thank you.